Every year, tens of thousands of whales migrate through the Great Barrier Reef. To protect these incredible marine animals, it is important to brush up on your whale rules. Stay at least 100 metres away from whales. Do not block their path in either direction. Different rules apply in the Whitsundays Whale Protection Area or when a calf is present. In this case, keep at least 300 metres away. From 100 to 300 metres is the caution zone. In this zone, vessels must keep speeds under 6 knots and minimise noise and wake. Less is best. Only 3 vessels are allowed in this zone at a time. What if a whale approaches you? Slowly move away or switch off your engine. Remember to go slow for those below. Different rules apply to aircraft and jet skis. Jet skis must always stay 300 metres away. Aircraft and drones must be 1,000 feet away over both horizontal and vertical distances, and helicopters must be 1,650 feet away. Keep a lookout for whales this season and stay wise when out on the reef for the safety of both you and the whales.